All right, you changed your oil. Now you got to reset your oil service interval light that's popping up on the dash. So you need to hold in your trip button and then press your ignition on. Keep your foot off the brake. Do that. You're going to get a menu. It's going to say, it actually gives you two options. You got to pick the first one. So as soon as it pops up, you let go of the button and then push the button back in. It happens really fast. The second menu item is your service, like inspection service interval. You're not changing that. So going to put my, no, not put my foot on the brake. Duh. I'm going to push in trip. I'm going to use my phone. Probably not get on camera. Okay, still holding it in. Let go, push. Done. And now we can go, we're going to turn it off. Turn it back on. We'll go into car setup. I don't know what I just did. Service. And oil change service was reset. Originally it's like 10,000 miles. I changed mine to 7,500 miles. So that's all. You don't need no fancy tools. Enjoy.